We at CustomGPT, what we do is we let you create your own ChatGPT with your enterprise data. And a problem example is MIT would love to have ChatGPT with their content without making facts up, something that is called hallucination. And I'm happy to announce that MIT is now one of our paying customers. You can check it out on orbit.mit.com. What have we built? A platform, very easy to use, no code, multi-data source integration. You can ingest your videos, audios, websites, whatever you like. And then we make sure that ChatGPT doesn't make facts up, and we show you the citations and sources of what the answers are. Everything secure, privacy first, business grade platform. What's the value proposition here? ChatGPT with your data, trusted sources, trusted responses. That is what businesses are telling us that they want. How do people using it? Right now, help desk, knowledge bases, anywhere where you see like a search box is dead now. The search box has been replaced by a chat box. What's our competitive advantage? From day one, we are just innovating on a daily basis. We do 2 to 3 releases every day, listen to businesses, just keep innovating, day in, day out, day in, day out. We have no investors, no startup funding, nothing bootstrapped. We went from 0 to profitability in 72 days. We have 25 plus people working on the platform, 4,000 plus paying customers. MIT became a paying customer, which is great for us. Business model right now, no code SaaS platform, and it's slowly evolving to a platform for developers as well. And if you do want to check it out, you can go to orbit.mit.edu. The demo should be live now.
Great.
Thank you very much.
All right.